I want to introduce a new concept to you that you might not have ever considered before in your life. Take a moment and consider two people who went to an estate planning attorney and had their trusts drafted by a professional. Mr. Wilson drafted a trust leaving all of his property to his children upon his death. His primary concern was transferring his assets to his children. The second individual, Mr. Peterson, drafted a trust to provide tuition reimbursement and partial rental payments for his grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Mr. Peterson's primary concern was to create an opportunity for his posterity. My name is Taylor Willingham, and I am the creator of Posterity Planning. After writing hundreds of estate plans, I realized that sophisticated people's primary concern in drafting a trust was to create opportunity for their beneficiaries. For example, one individual came to my office and created a trust to provide for mission trips. Another wanted to teach his posterity about financial security and set up a fund to pay for his children to take courses in financial planning. One mother provided a trust for any of her daughters who were getting divorced. All these people had specific plans in place to help create opportunity for their posterity. This is the heart of posterity planning. I want you to take a moment and think about the most life-changing event that you experienced. Maybe it was school, something taught to you by your parent, a birth of a child, a marriage, or maybe even a divorce. Pause this video and get a piece of paper and write it down. I know you probably went to this video thinking you would not have to do anything, but please just do it. Now, I want you to consider the next point. One, if not the most impactful thing you leave to your children is your DNA. Your children are made up of half of your genes. Many of the decisions, good and bad, you have made in your life, your children will also make. Posterity planning is planning for these events. Now that you have the most life-changing event written down, how can we plan for this event? I am an expert on helping people plan and draft the necessary documents to make this happen. Give me a call now and we can get started. What are you waiting for? Let's get this done.